Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial we will learn how to stylize the background of your HTML element using CSS. So let's start doing practical. For example, in this practical I am taking body as our container and I am going to stylize it using CSS. So as we know, we have lot of properties to stylize the background, but these are the 5-6 properties which we are using regularly on stylize the background. So let's start doing one by one. First of all, if you have a solid color to stylize or to give the background, then you have to use background color. So let's see how we are stylizing it. So this is my body and this is my HTML preview. So to stylize with color, we have option background color, and you can see if you have a code intelligence, then it will automatically find the code and it will show you. Otherwise you will type background hyphen color, and here you can give three kind of color codes. You can see, like I can give green. Otherwise I have other options like code also you can give, like 057. This kind of codes also you can give, or also hexa codes you can give. So for web it is very necessary that you should use sixth kind of code, like so use this one. Otherwise if you have directly color, you can use like green, sky or cyan kind of things, correct? So this is how we are using background color. And if you remember, lots of websites they are using images also for background. So let's see how we are using images. For using images, you have to use background hyphen image, and this takes a URL in parameter, correct? And here you need to pass the background. Dear friends, if the image is in your local folder, then directly you can give the file name here, like any image name .jpeg or png. If it's not there, for example, I'm taking here scenery. Okay, I got it. So if you go to image and take, just copy the image path. If you will see, the after loading the image, do right click, copy the image address and come here, just paste it here, correct? You can see the image is available, correct? So this is how we are giving the image background. But the chapter is not over here. That means when you are importing any image into this page, that image needs some other attributes also, otherwise you will get some issues in the sense the image will go up and down, and whatever the size. That means if this image may be suitable for your desktop or your laptop, but what if it opens in the bigger desktop? So for that you have to assign some more properties. For example, after whenever you are using background image, then after that you should use background size. Background size, there are lots of you can say arguments are there or values are there. So depends on your requirement you can give. For example, I will give you three options. One is contain. So if you give contain, one more property we have to use here, that I can use later also or before also, no issues. For your information, I am giving here background, okay, repeat, and it should be no repeat, okay. So what it happens when you are giving no repeat? No repeat means the image background will not repeat multiple times, okay. It will be only once it will be visible, fine. And let's do it, let's work on the size. So background size, there are a lot of sizes are there, like 100px you can give, or 200px also you can give. So like this you can give a customized size. And but there are two things one need to understand. One is contain. Contain will fit inside your background. So, and another is cover. So always try to use cover, contain or 100%, okay. On that scenario what will happen, it will give the complete image auto fit ratio into your background, okay. So these three you must need to use. Third one, background position. It is very important. you should understand background position. Suppose I want my background only here. Okay, suppose this is only an arrow. I want to put the small image here in the background. So on that type of scenarios, you need to use positions. For example, I am giving size is 100. Okay, 100 px. You have to give the unit also. And now I want this image here or here or here. So for that, you have to pass here two values. One is your x coordinator and the another is your y coordinator. So for your background position, I'm giving as left and top. So this is the default. Okay, and now let's change it to right. Correct. And here again I'm giving bottom. It is hidden. Okay, so this is how, 1 minute, because of this size it is hidden somewhere. So now you understand, right? This is how position we are working. So let's make it again 100% or cover. So I'm giving here like 100%, and I'm background position I'm giving, it will be top left only. Okay, fine. So what is left? Position is done, background size is done, image is done, color is done. The last one is, suppose I have lot of data here, right? And what my requirement is, on scrolling from bottom to top, the image should not scroll, it should be fixed. On that kind of scenarios, you have to use background attachment. So background attachment, and it should be fixed. Okay, so using this, the image will be fixed, and if you do scroll also, it will be fit, it will not go up and down. Correct. So this is how we are using background properties, and remember these properties will be same for all the container tags, like div tag also you can give using this kind of things only. Okay, so let's meet in the next chapter. We will cover how to stylize text and fonts. Thank you.